Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Blozo. Hey man, I gotta talk quiet. I forgot to mention a few things. Okay. MFJ adjustment changes. You know why it's a misery? Because I'm gonna change hands here and grab a pen to point with. If that piece of metal right there is not perfectly perpendicular with this screw, as you turn that adjustment spacing screw to make it closer or farther away, the contact is on an angle. And you'll be getting close. Say it's too loose and you want to get it tighter. You'll be getting closer and closer, and one more tiny little turn and bang, it's a mile away, And the problem is, unless these are perpendicular, you could even lap those contacts to make them perfectly flush, and it wouldn't matter. Because if these aren't at a right angle, you've just lapped the contacts at an angle. And it'll do the same thing. Highly suggest avoiding the MFJ paddles. And see, the problem is this post here that holds that adjustment screw perpendicular to that piece, those posts, your paddles will come and those posts will just be finger loose. God help you. I've got mine pretty darn good, but dang, man, it took me 6 months. And if you even look at it wrong, it'll change. Okay, man, I've got to send CW. I'll save that for last. Other comments. Abbreviations. You'll want to get used to using them as a CW operator. Things like STR8 for straight key, ANT, ANT for antenna. I don't hear people abbreviating Yaesu or ICOM, but I do see it with Kenwood, KNWD. Here, HR. Don't be afraid of HR, man. You're not at work. It means here. Weather, WX. QRT, you'll use that more probably if you're into CW. Let's see what else is on the list. AGN for again. PSE for please. Everyone knows TU for thank you. QRS. Technically it means shall I send slower, and get used to using it. You could say QRS PSE question mark or just QRS question mark, and they'll slow down for you. If they don't slow down for you, you only need to know 2 more characters, 73, and your call sign. I want to talk about Farnsworth speed. See my hidden notes? I want to talk about Farnsworth speed. And, I don't need my keyer. I'm just going to tell you. The faster the characters you learn with, the better. Can you copy 7 words a minute? Can you copy only 5 or maybe 8 or 9? It doesn't matter. I'd send the characters at 15 words a minute. I really would. See, now is when I want to let you hear them. I'm going to have to edit this addendum video and let you hear a few characters. I want you to compare a word at 15 words per minute, but spaced out to 7 or 8, as opposed to the 7 or 8 word per minute characters sent at 7 or 8. Okay? I want to demonstrate that. Because that's the main intent of this addendum video right there. Farnsworth speed. Highly recommend. The fastest characters that you can tolerate. It only makes sense if you're only able to copy at five words a minute, but you're used to hearing the characters sent at 18. Don't you think it's going to be a hell of a lot easier transition as your brain ramps up its speed copying capability? Your speed's increasing little by little by little, and you're used to hearing characters sent at 18 words per minute. The only difference is the length of time between them, and yeah, up and up and up goes your speed, and man, you can hit 18, 20 words per minute, and you're already used to the sound of the characters. To me, it removes one half of the mental challenge in increasing your speed. So that's all I have. I don't need to demonstrate with CW. I've got family sleeping here, and it's my birthday. And I want to drink the rest of my cup of swill and look at stupid shit on the internet. I wish you a great day and coming week. That's my friend Rudolfo. He's no longer in my truck because my Podomobile, is dead. 73, guys. Be well.